What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I have an amazing collab video with Making Impossible. Let's do it. So here's the breakdown of the collab. I have the performance video on Making Impossible's channel, and I have the tutorial on my channel. So if you guys have not seen the performance yet, I'll put the link on the screen so you guys can go check out Making Impossible's channel and my video performance there. And for those of you who are here for this tutorial, let's break it down. So just to give you guys a little bit of a background, I based this trick off of Naming the Aces, where you name the order of the aces as they appear. So I wanted to do this for an entire suit and see how that would happen. So here's how it's done. You want to start off by having the cards arranged in a certain order. And this is the order I have them arranged in, and the reason I have it in this order is because it's just easier to remember. So let me actually walk you down how I have this memorized. So I have 2 plus 8 is 10. Then the card after 10 is Jack. And then Jack minus 6 is 5. So 11 minus 6 is 5. 5 plus 7 is Queen. Right after Queen is King. King minus 9, or 13 minus 9 is 4. And then 4 minus 3 is Ace. So that's how I have these cards memorized. You can get them memorized in any order that you want. And you want to pick whatever suit suits you. Sorry, that was a bad pun, but you get the idea though. All right, so you have a certain suit in an order memorized. Now, you want to get about 14 cards from the deck. You want to get 14 cards from the deck. I like to spread them out like this, and then I start inserting these cards randomly between these 14 cards. So let me do that right now. And one thing you want to keep in mind when you're doing all this, make sure the cards are still in the order when they're inserted, because I've done this trick where I've messed up the order and it has ended quite poorly. So once you've got this from here, you take this and put it right on top of the deck and you're all good to go. So as with most of my setup card tricks, I like giving the deck a full false shuffle, and I find that to be very useful in these kind of tricks. So that's how I always like to start off any setup card trick. So once that is done, you want to give it to the spectator, and you can allow them to give the deck a riffle shuffle, but only a riffle shuffle. And one thing you'd have to ensure is that they go a bit deeper than halfway into the deck, or exactly halfway into the deck. Because if they go if they go up top here, you're gonna start interleaving these cards together. So if you don't feel comfortable telling the spectator to do a riffle shuffle, knowing that they'll do it correctly, just do the riffle shuffle yourself and you'll still get a great effect. Okay, so I shuffle the deck, then I'll give it a riffle shuffle here. And then I like to give the deck a false cut. Since usually I have the spectator shuffle, I take it back, I give it a false cut. So boom, false cut given. And now you're all set to go. You have the order memorized as you start dealing the cards. Or even better, you have the spectator start dealing the cards, because then they really know you can't do anything to mess with the cards anymore. You start dealing, you got the 2, you got the 8, then you got 10, then you got, what is this, Jack. Where's the Jack? Where's the Jack? There's the Jack. And you can literally go through the entire deck knowing the order. So we have 6, then we have 5, 7, Queen, 7, Queen, King. So you know what it is. You can just go through the entire deck and just make yourself look like some kind of card cheat or mechanic. Now, if you like this trick, make sure to go and check out the original Naming the Aces card trick, because that's what I base this trick off of. And if you've already seen that, then go out and add magic into people's day. You never know who needs it. Peace out.